are going to make canvas and brush. First off, I will start with a pen tool, and of course you can use another tools. And then draw a shape like this and then make it 3D. Now it is turn of the base part, which is the same as the previous step. So I will do it faster here. Another point is that when you want to create 3D, use a lot of dark and light colors, which will make your design look more natural. And finally, let's go to make the last part. And a little brush. Alright guys, it's over. I hope you can make it easily. And then don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. I will see you in the next video.